My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the new adware type application called LevelNight. LevelNight is a special adware which is specifically designed for the Google Chrome, Safari and other browsers in the Mac computers. So LevelNight is the adware that specifically targets Mac computers. By the way, this LevelNight adware is from the AdLoad family. This particular adware displays a lot of intrusive advertisements not related to the sites that you visit. LevelNight adware is often spread through fake software or browser update alerts. So in most of the cases, people just download and install this adware absolutely unintentionally. If you have found this LevelNight adware to be the part of your Mac computer some way or another, you need to get rid of it immediately. Otherwise, these ads by LevelNight will keep attacking your screen, will keep disturbing you greatly. So the quicker you remove it, the better. Check your Finder, go to Applications, find this LevelNight and move it to the trash. If you see any other similar adware or malware, remove it. But the point is that visually the computer may be free of threats, but still there may be some other infections that are hidden. In this case, we recommend you to use a special program called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get its fresh version on the page combocleaner.com. Download the program using this green download button. This is the way the program looks like after you install it. So you need to click on this Start Combo Scan button in order to begin research and analysis and investigation of your Mac computer. Combo Cleaner, by the way, is initially in the trial mode. The trial version has got several free features: disk cleaner, big files, duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to improve the speed and the general performance of your Mac. So you need to devote some time until the scanning by Combo Cleaner has been successfully accomplished. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, and it may also depend on some other factors too. But at the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats. You'll be able to know their locations on the system. We recommend upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your Mac always protected and free of threats in the future.